Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a little necromancy travel altar. I'm doing this because I'm going to be seeing my boyfriend actually next month and I want to make a kit to bring with me, so I thought this would be a perfect time to show you guys how to make it. So yeah, please stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay, so I had to do this on my floor and my other camera is doing the light because the current light outside is not doing good now. But, so first things first, get a can or something. This is a lipstick chapstick holder that I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be gluing on paper on here and things like that, so it's not like this. Also, if you can, have a journal. This is one that I bring with me everywhere I go, even if I'm not bringing a travel kit. And the reason why I do is because it has sigils in here and other information. And it's pretty much roughly the same size as the tin. I also have some prayer cards of Hades and Thanatos. I also use them for necromancy work, and so they're going to go in there. Something I would highly suggest, but is not really mandatory, is hell money or heaven money, ancestral money. This can be used when you're working with spirits. They could be used as an offering or literally just to write petitions on and things like that. And I'm usually just going to bring 2 because I don't know how much I'm going to need. Then also I have some coffin nails. I have 4 because when you have 4, they can be used for protection. Kind of like think of casting a circle around you. They can be used to help protect your area. So, yep. Bottle. And then I have some ghost water I made, which I also called like holy death water. By the time this video is out, the video should be out on how I actually made this. So this is how it looks afterwards when you shake it. It looks a little more cloudy. You can see the debris from the frankincense. But yeah, that's how it looks. Also, it could be because of the rust in there. So yeah, because there's a coffin nail in there. But I have some of that in here, and I also have one of these, which is like those Japanese calligraphy brushes, and I also have the ink. Now, the reason I have this is because I will dip it in the water, and I'll use the ink and put it on there, and then I'll use it for sigils, like the ones in here. So, yeah. And also, since I had gotten the small calligraphy kit, it came with a little, what do you call it, bowl and a little spoon. I thought the spoon would come in handy along with this little bowl for doing offerings, doing prayers and things like that, and of course using this to sprinkle some offerings and stuff. I also have a selenite stick, and I put them in this little bag. And I also have a black birthday candle. Black candles are really good for necromancy and spirit work. I'm probably going to buy some more because I don't know where my other ones went. But these could be also used as offerings and just left at a site where spirit had been, and so forth. So yeah, it's perfectly good in the bag. Put the bowl in here. Okay. Now I also have some herbs This is poppy seeds, my ghost powder I made. I think there's some bone powder in here too that I've made. I also have a video on that too. I wanted to put some like lavender, mullein, and mugwort in here, but I'll probably just do that later. And this is basically like, I'll take like a pinch or that little spoon to give as an offering to where a spirit is. And then I also have some more crystals. I have, this is like a smoky quartz. I've had this since I was, I think, 7. And then this one is a skull quartz crystal. And actually, this is my grandmother's. She had this in her place. And when I found her, I was like, oh my god, this is perfect, because she passed away. And she's a medicine woman. She nominated me as the medicine woman of the family. So I feel like it has her energies on it from when she passed away. So I have a little bit of her with me, which is why I have it in this kit. So yeah. Then next, I also have this, which is supposed to be like a medicine bag, but it's not made from hide or anything. But it opens up, and it has my rosary for doing necromantic workings and spirit workings. I made this all by myself. So yeah, there's like snow obsidian, I think there's jet, and then just some glass beads. And on the bottom is a amethyst pendulum, which is also for my grandmother who passed away. So I can use it like an actual pendulum, and I can also pray with it. So yeah, that's about it for what I would suggest you to have in your kit. But everyone's kit's gonna be different. You have to do it to the way that you want for your own workings. Because technically, even if I'm just going to a place, say for instance, my grandmother's place, or just out and about, going shopping and stuff, I will just bring my pendulum rosary and then my little grimoire. This would be my kit. But this is what I'm bringing because where I stay with my boyfriend, my beloved, he actually has a lot of spirits at his place, and I just feel like it'd be good to have like a mini altar there for when I'm there, because I'm going to be staying with him for 2 months. I might as well have an altar there like I do here. So yeah. Another thing I would also suggest for you guys is find some incense. These are 2 brands I have. Tibetan, and this is Japanese incense that, if I'm correct, I'm not sure, don't quote me. This is incense that is used before you use any other incense. It looks like this, and you can easily just break it in half and use it. So I suggest that. I'll probably bring some with me along with my kit as well. And then the same goes for Tibetan incense. It's like this, smells wonders. You can break it the same way as the other one. So yes. Also, I use these Django blocks that you get from the dollar store. You can write sigils on them, put them in your kit. You can have like a mini tarot deck, a Ouija board deck, which I forgot I wanted to put one in here, but I don't know, still debating. Or even mini runes. You can make runes out of not rice. I take that back. Beans. You can make them out of clay, like I've done. They're super small. I've seen some people make them from shells, rock sticks, there's a bunch of things. I definitely like the bean idea though. Literally just using beans as runes. Like, I don't know. I think that's so cool. But yeah, I hope this helps you guys. I know I didn't give that much good ideas on how to build a mini kit, but I showed you guys what I have in mind, and what I'm going to be bringing with me, what I take with me daily. So yeah, I hope you all have a good day. Stay safe. You guys can tell I messed up on my hair, so now it's actually shaved. I don't mind it, but I don't know. Oh well. Just you guys stay awesome, stay safe, and I'll see you all later. Bye.
That's good.